Okay, welcome back to part 4 of this A-frame tiny house build. Today we're working on the roof. Last week we had a mix up with some material, but I think I have a solution for that now. So today we're going to try to throw it up. Well, hell, it can be done. All right, we're back again. Another round of paint. Well, I've got about 10 coats of polyurethane on this thing at this point. Almost ready to hang it. Okay, well, wow. This is gonna wrap up part 4 of this tiny house A-frame build. We didn't have as much time this week to get down here and work on this, but we definitely still got a lot of stuff done. Obviously this video is going to be quite a bit shorter, but we still had a very productive week. We'd consider the outside all sealed up at this point, all painted, got the roof on. It locks. I'm feeling good. I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for the next one where we're going to tackle the inside. Yeah, hit that like button. Subscribe if you want to see more. Thanks for tuning in.